guys, so here we are to unbox my package from Zalora. Let me take this out because I don't want any reflections. So I ordered this like a long time ago, and it really sucks that it took a long time to get delivered. But I'm excited because this is the first time I'm going to try this perfume. So it's a perfume, and I think you already know which one it is. So it's well packed. Came from Hong Kong. There we go. Oh my god. It's my Loewe Aura Pink Magnolia. And this is the first time that I'd be able to smell it because I didn't have time to go to Loewe in Greenbelt and, you know, test it out. It's just kind of weird how it's packed. This is from Zalora, so I'm sure or confident that they don't sell fakes. Do they? I don't think so. Because this cost me like how much? A lot. So again, there you go. So this is well embossed. So I am really hoping and praying that, ooh, really nice. So it comes in this bottle, and that's gold. It's like smeared gold paint. There you go. And the color of the actual liquid is, I think it's like champagne colored. So this is the test. Oh wow. The first notes that I smelled are sweet, wood, a little bit of musk. It's yummy. Yeah. And then as it diffuses, I can smell a little bit of floral on there. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna test this. You know what they say about you know, wearing your perfume. It changes. The smell changes depending on your body chemistry. And so far so good with all my other perfume, but with this one, again, this is the first time I'm trying this. I've watched a few reviews about this product, and they gave very good reviews, so I'm really hoping that it stands up to its reputation. And I'm really hoping Zalora doesn't sell fake items, because I paid, you know, a hefty amount for this. This is an EDP Eau de Parfum. I'm not sure if I butchered that, but basically it is a perfume. It's not a cologne. It's not an EDT. Eau de toilet. No, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye.